Welcome back, guys. So today, you're watching Dev Plus Plus. Yay! So today, what we're gonna learn in this tutorial is basically how to get input from the user, and the user in this case is me, but the coder is also me. So how do you get that input so you can actually process that data, or actually do something with it? So basically, how do you make your program a little user involved? How you can involve the user so it actually does something to them. So how do you get input? This is going to be a fairly short tutorial, so let's just get started. Let's get started. So all I'm going to say is let's just call our variable a, and to get an input we just write input, open and close bracket. As simple as that. Python is easy. And after that we just write print a plus 1. So whatever value we get, we just have to add 1 to that Python file. Let's go to our debug console, and I've got to type something now and press enter. Obviously, because a is not an integer, so it can't add anything to a. We are going to restart that entire thing. Go to the debug console. I'm gonna write 1, and it just prints out 1. And why is that happening? Let's go to the terminal. 1. Not into str. Okay, so what it's basically doing here, it's taking a as a string. So what we're gonna write is integer a is equal to input. Now I think it should work, but it could fail again. So because I really don't use input, and as you can see, we have a big fat error. Okay, so how do we fix it? All we need to do is just write int outside of the entire thing. And now let's run it, and we should see something actually work. So if we wrap it around an int, then it should actually give us a value. Yeah, so yeah, this works. So I printed out, I gave the input as 1 and I got 2, so I added 1. Now how can I use this to basically add it to that age bullshit program? So basically it's going to use the same if statement, and equal to 18 greater than print eligible, otherwise we have to else that print GTFO, which you probably know what that means. Okay, before we start out, we just have to write what the hell, print what is your age, and 1,000 question marks. Let's go try that out. Okay, it should work. What is your age? 19. I should be eligible. Yeah, I'm eligible. Now let's just the else part. I am 1 years old. Oh wait, I am 1 years old. Let's see. It says get the, you know what it means. Yeah, so this is basically how you get input, and this tutorial is way too long for just input because I failed like first 2 times I taught you. So yeah, this should be it. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you. Stay tuned. Bye bye.